What's up, everybody? Gotta check my feed, make sure that we are online. Let me know in the chat when you see me live. There we go. Greetings. Starting to see you guys. Here we go. It's the day of the test. On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you? Put it in the chat. How excited are you for the unit test? Bah, bah, bah. Yes, thank you, Clutch the Goats. I am live. What's up, Yeremias, Kenna, Zane, Robles, Kayla E, Aris. Thank you guys for joining. Are you ready? Just got back actually from Miquel-Jean Public School. I had to go there for the second time since March break. That's it. Pick up a couple things and do some filming for grad stuff. So, yes. Kayla, you are not a -1. Get out of here. Kurt, what is up, brother? If you're wondering what these numbers in the chat, you're just joining us. I said, on a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you? So Kayla is a -1. Aiden, you are excited. I know it. Give me on a scale of 1 to 10, how prepared are you for this test? How prepared? How prepared? I do have some good news that I just spent time today cutting questions, trimming the test down. How many did I delete? I deleted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I deleted 9 questions off the test. Thumbs up in the chat if you like that, or if you don't want, I can put them back in. So yeah, what I'm doing right now, I'm just waiting, get a couple more students watching, and then I'm gonna introduce the test. Kurt, very excited. Aris, bonus marks for Aris. How excited he is! Excellent, Aris. I love to see that. Bum, bum, ba-da-da-bum. Aris is ready. Aiden's ready. Kayla's ready. Kurt's ready. That's good, guys. That's good. So, let me start talking about the test, and then I'll launch it and let you guys go out there. First off, you guys been outside today? It is summer outside. It is summer. Man, it is beautiful outside. It is, make sure you don't spend all day on this test. Maybe take a break and get yourself outside. It is worth getting outside for. Let me tell you, it is unreal. Marcus is asking for extra marks. Let me know in the chat if we should give him. Marcus needs 6 people to say yes, and he gets bonus marks. So yes or no in the chat if we should give Marcus bonus marks. All right, here we go. All right, let's talk about the test. It is bigger, okay? This test normally would have about 15 questions on Socrative, and then it would be double-sided, all written questions. Things like explain Archimedes' principle, or explain using Archimedes' principle, okay? It would be paragraphs like that, okay? But that would not really kind of work in our current situation. So I had to completely generate a whole new test. And because it is not having the knowledge and application portion, I did increase the number of questions that I would normally have on a test. Okay, do your best. Whoa! Look at all the yeses for you, Marcus. Marcus, let's see. We got one from Aris, one from Robles, one from Gary Sean, a no from Aiden. Okay, one from Kurt, one from Justin, and Kayla E. That's yes, Marcus. Bonus marks for Marcus, courtesy of all your friends and your peers in the chat. Congratulations, Marcus. You get a bonus mark on this test. Oh, and Janae. Man, that is a lot of Mikhail Jean love. I hope you feel free to express your appreciation to everyone, Marcus. Okay, let's go back to the test. Sorry, I got really distracted because I was not expecting yeses. There are 32 questions on this test. Okay, some are multiple choice, some are multiple choice, but they're like fill in the blank. So there's a number of them that you'll see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, like as options. Okay, and so for a number of those questions, it'll say something, 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 blank, something, something, something. And you will pick an answer from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay? There used to be more of those questions. I eliminated a couple of them today. Okay? To make room for some other more mathy questions. I know you guys like the math, so did that for you. Kurt is asking for free marks. Sorry, Kurt. I can't just give out free marks like that. I'm a teacher. Come on. Can't just do that, Kurt. All right. So, fill in the blanks. Then there are multiple choice. What you really need to focus and concentrate on are the the short answer questions. Okay? When I ask you to do math, you need to read the note. Okay? They'll have a question. Okay, and then under that it'll say notes. Use the unit, and then I will lay out how and what unit I want you to use. Okay? That's unusual, that's not normal. Okay, so that's a gift for you. Here's the deal. You will get marked wrong if you put an equal sign in. Okay? It will mark you wrong if you write an answer sentence. Okay? All you're going to write is the number. So if the answer is 3 pascals, you're going to write 3 capital P lowercase a. Okay? Do you have that? Say got it in the chat. If you got it, say got it. Okay, Gary Sean is asking a very good question in the chat. Gary Sean asks, when will you post the thing where we choose where our accommodating task marks go? Boom. Great question, Gary Sean. And I actually decided to put it in the test. Okay? So, the test is 32 questions long. Okay? But you will notice when you get in there are 38 questions on this test. Okay? 32 questions are test questions. They will be markable. Your test will be out of 32. Okay? Question 33 will be deemed ungradable. I will have to go in and read that myself and grade it. This is the same question I put on the other 2 unit tests. For 2 bonus marks, what is something that you studied or prepared really well for this test, but I didn't ask it? Okay? What did I leave off of the test that you think you're ready and you can prepare for? Now, I had a lot of people in the last test say, I really studied levers. Do you think that's worth 2 marks? I studied levers, and you didn't ask about levers. That is not worth 2 marks. Okay? I don't even know if I gave that half mark. Good for you. Okay? You need to say, MrStav, I studied levers. There are 3 types of levers. A first class lever looks like this. Second class lever looks like this. Third class lever looks like this. Okay? Impress me with your knowledge to earn those 2 bonus marks. Okay, so obviously I'm talking about Libras. That was from the last unit. It's not this unit. Okay, don't just give me one-word answer or one sentence. Okay, I mean you can, but don't expect the mark. Okay, this is a bonus mark. This is not factored into the 32 marks. So if you get perfect, 32 out of 32, and you get the 2 bonus marks, okay, then you will be over 100%. That is a good thing for your mark. Okay. Now let's talk about Gary Sean's question. Ken is asking a very good question. Do you put a space between the units? Okay, so if it's 4 pascals, you can put 4 PA, or you can put 4 space PA. It will know the difference. If you put 2 spaces, it will mark it wrong. Okay, but I was able to program it that if you put a space or you don't, it's up to you. Okay, great question. Thank you for asking that, Kenna. Okay. Okay. Now let's look at the other questions. Okay, so it'll say not for marks on this test. I've asked you, how much did you attend? Did you attend live, or did you attend, or did you watch afterwards? How many times did you watch the videos? Okay, did you watch most lessons one time or sometimes multiple times through? Okay, did you miss some of the lessons? Okay, that's not for marks, and it doesn't change my opinion of you. I just need to know that so that I can kind of make some deductive reasoning based on responses and results. Okay, then 35 says, unit binder during distance learning. A, I worked really hard. Please use my binder to improve my science mark. B, I am working on it. I will let you know, Mr. Stav, when I want you to use it. Okay, so if you're not done it, okay, it's a shame because that'll help you on the unit test. Okay, but if you're not done it, you can message me and you can say, Mr. Stav, I am done. Now please mark it and put it towards my grade. Okay? And then the other option is, I did not do my unit binder. Please do not factor it into my science mark. Okay? Then, it does the same thing for quizzes. Mr. Stav, I worked really hard on my quizzes. Please use those marks. I worked hard on my quiz, but I'm going to continue redoing them. I'll let you know when I want you to use it. Okay? If you choose that option, I will not be checking in on you. Okay? If you forget, I forgot. Okay? You have to say, Mr. Stav, please go check my unit binder and my quizzes and update my science mark. Okay? And then I have put, dear Mr. Stav, please factor this unit test mark if I get over blank %. Now, some people might say, Mr. Stav, don't use this mark unless I get 100%. Okay? But mathematically speaking, if some people get 80% on this, it will seriously help your science mark. Some people, if you get 70% on this unit test, it will desperately help your science mark. Okay? Do you understand what I'm saying here? All right? So you're going to put in a % mark. And if your test is at that %, I will factor it in. Okay? So if you say 84% and you get 85, I will use it. If you get 90, I will use it. If you get 83, I won't use it. Okay? That is what I'm doing for you. Okay? And then I just ask you, how did you find the test? Was it easy or hard? Okay? These are just information for me. Okay? So, with that said, this test is only up until Friday. Okay? So, it is on Socrative. Okay, right now a math test is up. I will, in a second, right in front of you, I will take down the math test and I will launch the science unit test. Okay? You get 1 attempt at it. Okay? And via your IP address, I will know, okay, if you quit and you come back in. Okay? If you accidentally close the window, you need to contact me. And you need to say, Mr. Stav, I need help to resume my test. Okay? You get 1 attempt. All right? Do your best. It will be open until Friday. Okay? Friday night. Late Friday night, I will close it before midnight. Okay? And if you have not finished your test, okay, then whatever you completed, that will be your mark. Okay? So, with that said, Let me look at the chat and see what I missed. RS wants to know, is it open book? Yes, you can use your notes. Okay, I encourage you to use your notes. Okay, I make these questions based off of your notes. Okay, so if your notes are done, you will be fine. Okay, Gary Sean, will this decrease our science marks? Okay, what we are doing online will only improve your mark. Okay, so if you it really depends on what grade you are at and where you're trying to get to. Okay, but if I factor in this test and it brings down your mark even a little bit, I'll just delete it. Okay, why then do the test? Okay, because you only have potential to bring up your mark, to increase your mark. Okay, these unit tests, I can wait so that they actually really help your mark. So crush this test, do your best, take your time. Okay, this is on Socrative so that you can flip between questions. Okay, go question by question, but I always say it with the test. Don't just do the first question first. Do the questions that you can do easily, like, oh, I know this one, okay? And then go back. What I would do is have tons of paper in front of you, have a calculator ready to go, okay? And don't just put your answers into the test. I would show all of your work on a paper, not for me, for you, okay? So that you want to go back and change something, you can do that, all right? Any other questions in the chat? So while I wait for that, I'm going to take down the current math test. All right. Okay. So I am going to launch the test now. Good luck. Do your best. And I will see my class for math tomorrow. And I will not do a lesson on Friday, as it'll be time for your unit test. And then our next unit will start next Wednesday. Okay? Good luck, everyone. Do you need spaces or commas between numbers? Good question. Okay? No. If the answer is 10,000, okay, do not use a comma. Okay? Commas are incorrect. Commas are American, and the rest of the world does not do commas. Okay? So if you want to put 10 space 000 and you've grouped that properly, that will work. Okay? Honestly, the safest bet is put no space. Just put 10000 pascals or whatever the answer is. Good question. Thank you. I think it's Aaron. Yeah. Good luck to you, Kayla Robles. Good luck to everybody. Congratulations, Marcus, on the free bonus mark from your peers. Didn't think you'd get it, but gotta do it. All right, here we go. Launch the test. All right, the test is live. Good luck. Do your best. And question, is there guided groups today? No, I'll do guided groups tomorrow and Friday for math. Thank you, Thekshaw, for asking that. I won't be doing any guided about science because the unit test is open, and so the time for guided is closed for science. Okay, any other questions? I'm just looking over at my other screen to see if there's any more questions. Marcus says, woohoo. Marcus, you're fun, dude. Thanks. All right. Well, that's the case. There, I see you guys in there. Remember, don't just do the first question. If that's not the easiest question, just come back to it. Do the questions that you know right off the bat. Also, another feature in your unit binder, Control F, find, keyword search. Okay? Hopefully you know your unit binder well enough so you can go around and find different things and help you. Okay? So, I'm going to sign off. I'm going to say good luck. Pizza. Enjoy the weather. Bye.